Moses Bombo Tamberton. I'm here tonight in Trenton, New Jersey, United States of America. We are here to attend the Margibi County Association in the United States. We had just arrived. We said the program was starting at 8 p.m. We have arrived, it's almost 10. So let's walk in so we can see how the program is looking like.
Repeat after me.
All the people that are here. We came here, we buy our ticket. Turn it out each.
Solemnly swear
you see, I just want to show you.
I will execute the office and faithfully uphold the Constitution and bylaws to the best of my ability. So help me God.
All right, I'm very happy to be in your midst tonight. And I'm here because you are Liberians. And I have come to give you a very short statement. And that is to say, you can do more than this. You are bigger than this. God bless you. God love you. We have a problem in Liberia, and the problem is our authenticity. The problem we have is our political divide. The problem we have is our tribal divide. The problem we have is our individualistic belief that we are unto ourselves of God, we are unto ourselves of mountain, but we are not. And so we are powerful, we can achieve more. Just before even to prove to you what I'm talking about is, I want you to just think. Here you have Magibi County. Imagine every county in Liberia, you have 40 counties outside of Magibi here tonight. So imagine 40 counties from Magibi here participating in the development of whatever it is Magibi want to do. Will you not be better than what you are going to do? Will you not be having more money than what you're going to give tonight? Will you not be building more schools and more churches and more buildings than what you're going to do? So the secret to our success is global unity. The secret to our success is national unity. The secret to our success is our collective coming together to put together our individual talents, our individual skills, our individual power, our individual education, and our individual money. When we put together, we can move mountains, we can rebuild Liberia. And so we have organized Liberia Rebuild Global Team. And the only reason for Liberia Rebuild Global Team is to bring Liberians from all over the world. In France, in Germany, in Guinea, in Nigeria, we are going to assemble, we are going to unite, we are going to take money from our pocket and see, make it happen in Liberia. And so when we say America gave us money, we will not just say give us money like before. We will say, here is our school. In Magibi, no school. We will say, here is our way, our drinking, they are dying. And our money, they said not like before. America will not do you until you do yourself. So that's why we drove to come here to say, we love you. You are all members of Liberia Rebuild Global Team. We are traveling, speaking to Liberian communities, Liberian counties. We go from county to county, we go from church to church, from mosque to mosque. We spoke to the Limba citizens. We spoke to the New York citizens. We go to mosque. We are here tonight at Magibi County Association. I want to say you are all members of Liberia Rebuild Global Team. I brought some DVDs that will explain to you the uniqueness of the unity of Liberians, how we can achieve. We have teleconference, we are united. You want to see us in Magibi anyway, so you can join us, but you're going to see us burying, you're going to see Lofa Kante burying Magibi. You're going to see Gwandile burying Magibi. You're going to see Basa burying Magibi. You're going to see Merele burying Magibi. So Magibi can join us to make it work or not, but because we love you, the secret is we must work together. I love you, God love you. Liberia Rebuild Global Team, you are all members. We brought some CDs, going to give it to your president. Join us. Liberia will survive. We shall succeed.
Thank you, Mr. Camera.
Tonight is the Margibi County Association in the United States, in Trenton, New Jersey. Liberia Rebuild Global Team is here to bring you the live coverage. The Grand March is going on now. As you can see, Liberians have been called upon from all around the world to join Liberia Rebuild Global Team to rebuild Liberia. You just look and see how small the number of people here. Imagine if every county in Liberia can unite. What a wonderful success we have. We need to rise above tribalism and all stuff. So, thank you very much. Liberia Rebuild Global Team, join us, please, to you progress to Liberia.
Seriously, to ensure that the Constitution and bylaws for which you have solemnly sworn will be upheld by your executive committee. I want to congratulate you and thank you, because there's nothing like serving your fellow man. Thank you very much.
Yeah. This is President.
Our guest speaker, before I give my speech, our guest speaker said something right. Before, people used to carry folder for people to make the speeches. Now we travel with tablets now. So we're not using plain sheet anymore. We can use our tablet now to give our speeches. Mr. Guest Speaker, Mrs. Tyler Miller, President, Liberia Community Association of New Jersey, former President of MASA, former members of the board, platform guests, Your Royal Highness, is she in the house?
No, she's not here.
Mr. Chairman and members of the MASA board, members of the executive committee, invited guests, Mr. Cooper and members of the RAF over the years.
Liberia Rebuild Global Team.
I'm honored to have met
and Trenton,
worked with some of the citizens of Margibi County for the past year, and also for the love and care they've shown me and my family over the last 2 years. Thanks, folks. I really appreciate it.
Inaugural address.
As we assemble here this evening to celebrate 2 successful years of our administration,
we have the time to speak
and usher in another 2 years, we ask for your indulgence to enumerate some of the achievements of our administration, and at the same time, come up with vision for this great organization. Over the past 2 years, Mr. Guest Speaker, our administration, considering Magibi County to be in a position to provide an adequate learning environment for our young people of the county, MASA donated 200 chairs to schools in the county. The organization also provided paint and paintbrushes to the Lrgt High School facelift before the reopening of school for academic year 2011 and 2012. The total cost of the chairs and the painting is $2,500. We call it $2,500. Additionally, MASA provided over 1,700 organization scholarship and youth programs. The program is to provide a scholarship to our young people attending the University of Liberia, and it's expected that immediately after the school year, we are anticipating to expand the program by 100%. In the next few minutes, we'll be asking for your general contributions towards the education of our citizens from the county. Our administration also provided $1,300 for the transportation of a 40-foot container of cars and supplies for the city of Kakata. We have been working with Reverend Alexander Collins from Minnesota, who was very instrumental in obtaining the cars and supplies for the city. Reverend Collins has been working with the city of Brooklyn Park in Minnesota and the city of Kakata for a sisterly relationship. Reverend Collins, along with the city mayor of Brooklyn Park and a host of other city officials, visited the county just over a month ago. The details of the relationship is still being worked out. We want to thank Reverend Collins in a public manner for the vision of having the city relationship with a city in the United States. We welcome the elections of 4 members of the legislature during 2011 and a new county administration. Our administration in the next 18 months will endeavor to continue to work with the new county administration to ensure that this organization provide help and support to areas that are neglected by the central government. We'll be counting on your support to provide relief to our citizens in the areas of need. We'll partner with those, especially some of our other organizations, to make sure that we uplift the livelihood of the citizens of Margibi County. Our administration, therefore, is proposing to the board that we provide assistance to the two major high schools in Magibi County. The assistance will be based on requests made by a principal of both institutions. If you go back on the table there, we have a letter written by the Lango Labor principal congratulating us on what we did for the school. We hope that these assistance will help to alleviate some of the constraints in these schools and provide some educational services. Our administration is also proposing to the board of MASA an addition of members of the board to make the board more effective. I will submit to the board as early as next week our proposition and recommendation for the addition of the additional board members. We envision an organization that will involve the active participation of all Magibians in the decision making of the organization. It is our fervent prayer that we will put away our differences and work together for the good of the people of Magibi County. Our administration will not relent in pursuing all Magibians who, one way or the other, have left the organization for one reason or the other. As we prepare to pursue the objectives of which we were put into office, we are counting on your support and your cooperation as we move forward to Convention 2012 in Rhode Island. We hope and pray that we all gather to discuss ways to move our county forward. I personally want to thank some members of MASA for their commitment and support to the efficient operation of the Executive Committee. A special thanks go to my chairman, Mr. Rudolph Weeder, Ms. Masa Honda, she's not here, Ms. Martha Lombe, Martha Lopez Johnson, and Mr. Tyler Collins for their hard work in ensuring that the program was held. Thanks, guys, I really appreciate it. Thanks also to the co-chairman of the Inaugural Committee, Ms. Maddie Loki, for her hard work and dedication. It was part of my note. God bless the United States, God bless all my Libyans, and God bless the Republic of Liberia. I thank you.
I've heard it. This is President Ennis Jella, for the president, national president for the Margibi County Associations in America. He had just ended his inaugural statement or speech. So,
thank you, Mr. President.
okay, there you go. Liberia Rebuild Global Team is here tonight, and the induction officer has just installed the officers, and we are here to be. We are happy to be part of this program. Okay. This is a DJ. Mr. DJ is here. He's a DJ for the night.
Thank you very much.
These are some
Honorable guest speaker.
We're going to see the faces.
There are a lot of things the guest speakers said, but just to summarize a point that struck my attention, that the gap between those that have and those that do not have will continue to widen if we do not act now. It is based upon that I want to make this a short, very short announcement. The program is in twofold. Before the president comes up with his inaugural address, we want to tell you that right after this program there will be a raffle draw, and proceeds from the draw will go towards the Magibi Educational endowment fund grant to help narrow the gap we just spoke about. At this time, we now invite the President, Honorable Ernest Jada, with his inaugural address. Honorable Jada.
The President is now about to give his inaugural address. Let's see if we can be able to catch a glimpse of